I've had a dream of being a homicide detective since I was about 8 years old, so the whole concept of labs and science and analysis is just really an interesting thing for me.
And I feel like it's just really cool because personally, if I were to go into detective work and stuff, I feel like this class has really helped me. So if I did pursue it, I feel like it would be a lot easier now that I'm in this class. And honestly, I just love coming in every day.
I learned that it's not as easy as it seems and that it involves a lot of science and math.
I feel like forensics is just important because it teaches you a lot about the law that you might not already know.
What this class means to me is it's the first step into achieving the goal of what my future and my dream has been since I was a little kid, because it has taught me and given me the resources to understand and know where I have to lead up to it. This is my starting point, and then I know my next steps ahead because I just now have the resources to know all of that. And it's just really fun and exciting, and I hope it allows me to make my dreams come true.